That's a new item. How do you like it so far?
I think it's pretty good.
Good, right?
Yeah.
You know, I grew up from a Cuban and Spanish background. My mom was born in Cuba, my dad was born in Spain, and we were always around food. It really brought everyone together, and we really wanted to change, the way school lunch is viewed by everybody. Trying to focus on healthy, fresh, and local fruits and vegetables, and really try to introduce more of the cuisines to all the students from different aspects around the world.
What about like a nice yogurt parfait?
Parfaits, okay. The principal, Mike Jeanette, really gave me a lot of feedback from the kids that they love the new changes, they love all the food, they want to see more of the Hispanic food. So I took that to heart and try to implement more of the Hispanic foods that I knew, that I grew up on.
Actually really good.
Yeah? Thank you so much. So food to me, it tells a story. So, growing up, a lot of these Hispanic foods, I have a passion for. I have really prideful of it because it reminds me of my grandmother and, what she went through, and my grandfather's restaurant, and the time it takes, the love that it takes to make this meal. And I wanted to kind of transcribe that into schools. It shows that we care, that kids shouldn't worry about where food, if they don't get fed. Kids are our future, so we got to really invest in them.